Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Perplexity Pro login issues, subscription and access errors step by step clearly. If you're experiencing login issues with Perplexity Pro, follow these steps. Start by checking your internet connection to ensure it is stable. Next, open a web browser and navigate to the Perplexity Pro login page. If the page does not load, try refreshing it or using a different browser. Enter your email address and password into the required fields. Make sure there are no typos in your email or password. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the instructions sent to your email to reset your password. After resetting, return to the login page and enter your new password. If your login attempt fails, check for any error messages displayed on the screen. Pay attention to messages about invalid credentials or subscription status. If your credentials are correct but you still cannot log in, verify your subscription status. Log into your account on the payment provider's website to check if the subscription is active. If your subscription is inactive, consider renewing it or contacting customer support for assistance. If everything seems correct, clear your browser's cache and cookies. Reopen your browser and revisit the Perplexity Pro login page. Try to log in again with your credentials. If the issue persists, disable any browser extensions or ad blockers that might interfere. You can also try logging in from a different device or network to isolate the issue. If you're still facing problems, visit the Perplexity Pro help or support page for further guidance. Look for FAQs or troubleshooting tips related to login issues. As a last resort, contact customer support directly for personalized assistance. Provide them with details about the issue, including any error messages received. Be prepared to share your account information for faster resolution. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.